Welcome to my channel, dear students. In last video we have discussed coordinate geometry 10th class exercise 7.1 up to 4th question. So this is our 5th question. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at points A, B, C, D. एक क्लासरूम के अंदर 4 फ्रेंड्स हैं जो कि पॉइंट्स A, B, C, D पर बैठे हैं एज शोन इन द फिगर. हम अभी फिगर देखेंगे. चंपा एंड चमेली वॉक इनटू द क्लास. चंपा और चमेली 2 फ्रेंड्स और हैं जो क्लास के अंदर एंटर करते हैं. एंड आफ्टर ऑब्जर्विंग अ फ्यू मिनट्स, तो कुछ मिनट देखने के बाद चंपा आस्क्स चमेली. चंपा जो है वो चमेली को पूछती है, डोंट यू थिंक A, B, C, D मीन्स जिन पॉइंट्स पे वो 4 फ्रेंड्स बैठे हैं वो A, B, C, D इज अ स्क्वायर. वो एक स्क्वायर शेप बनाती है. बट चमेली डिसएग्रीज. चमेली इस बात से डिसएग्री है. सो यूजिंग डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला फाइंड विच वन इज द करेक्ट. तो आपने चेक करना है कि चंपा करेक्ट है या चमेली करेक्ट है. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू चेक दैट कि A, B, C, D स्क्वायर और नॉट. सो लेट्स सी द फिगर. सो दिस फिगर इज गिवन. इन दिस फिगर A, B, C, D are 4 friends which are sitting on these points. Here coordinate system is given. So we have to observe the coordinate of these 4 points and then we have to check that this ABCD is a square or not. So coordinate of A is 3, 4 and coordinate of B is 6, 7 and coordinate of C is 9, 4 and coordinate of D is 6, 1. So we have observed the coordinate A 3, 4 and coordinate of B is 6, 7. Coordinate of C 9, 4 and coordinate of D is 6, 1. So let's check that is it square or square. So हमें square की properties पता होना चाहिए. First of all we know that कि all 4 sides are equal. So let's check them कि all 4 sides are equal or not. So let's find all 4 sides AB. Formula is x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square and its square root. So then this is A and B, x1, y1, x2, y2. So this is 3 minus 6 square plus 4 minus 7 square and its square root. So it become minus 3 square plus minus 3 square and its square root. So it is 9 plus 9, that's 18 root. So AB is equal to, अगर इसको फैक्टराइज करेंगे it will become 3 root 2. This way we will find BC. अब हम BC find out करते हैं. So that is BC. Here are 2 given points. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So let's start. 6 minus 9 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square and its square root. So it's minus 3 square plus 3 square root, that's 9 plus 9 square root, that is equal to 18 square root. By prime factorization we can write it 3 root 2. Now we will check the length of CD. So CD equal to 9 minus 6 square plus 4 minus 1 square and its square root. So CD equal to 9 minus 6 3 square plus 4 minus 1 also 3 square. So it's 9 plus 9 square root. So CD equal to 18 square root. By prime factorization we can write it 3 root 2. So now let's find DA is equal to 6 minus 3 square plus 1 minus 4 square, its square root. 3 square plus minus 3 square root equal to 9 plus 9 square root. So DA is equal to 18 root. That's also. So all 4 sides are equal. So it means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, that's 3 root 2. All 4 sides are equal of this quadrilateral. So it may be square but it may be rhombus. ये rhombus भी हो सकती है, square भी हो सकती है क्योंकि दोनों की 4 sides equal होती हैं. But ऐसी क्या प्रॉपर्टी है जो कि स्क्वायर को रोम्बस से डिफरेंशिएट करती है? दैट इज लेंथ ऑफ डायगोनल। अगर लेंथ ऑफ डायगोनल भी इक्वल होगा देन इट विल बी स्क्वायर। अगर डायगोनल नॉन इक्वल होंगे देन इट विल बी रोम्बस। सो लेट्स चेक द डायगोनल. So let's find AC. Its diagonal AC. So that is 3 minus 9 square plus 4 minus 4 square, its square root, minus 6 square plus 0, that is 36 square root. So AC equal to 6 unit. So let's find BD. So हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं BD, its second diagonal, that 6 minus 6 square plus 7 minus 1 square whole square. So 0 plus 6 square and its square root. So BD equal to 36 square root, that is 6. So now we can say that कि AC equal to BD, that is 6 unit. तो डायगोनल भी इक्वल हो गए. So we can say that all four sides are equal and both diagonal are equal. So we can say that it is square. तो ये एक स्क्वायर होगा. So this is our sixth question कि name the type of quadrilateral. हमने quadrilateral की टाइप बतानी है कि कौन सी quadrilateral है. If any, अगर कोई हो, by the following points and give reason for your answer. तो हमने जो भी प्रॉपर्टी उसको सेटिस्फाई करेगी वो प्रॉपर्टी भी हमें एक्सप्लेन करनी होगी कि इस प्रॉपर्टी की वजह से हम ये नेम इसको क्वाड्रिलेटरल को दे रहे हैं. सो दिस इज फर्स्ट पार्ट. A पॉइंट है -1 -2, B is 1 0, C is -1 2 and D is -3 0. So for that we will find all four sides of this quadrilateral and both the diagonals. Then we will check which property satisfies for these given points. So let's find length of side AB. Formula is x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square and its square root. So AB is equal to, so this is A and B, x1 y1 x2 y2, so -1 and -1 square plus -2 minus 0 square and its square root. So this is -2 square plus -2 square root, that is 4 plus 4 square root, that is 8 square root. It become 2 root 2. तो हमारे पास AB की लेंथ आ गई है, that is 2 root 2. So AB की लेंथ आ गई है 2 root 2. So let's find BC equal to 1 minus -1 square plus 0 minus 2 square and its square root. So BC equal to 1 plus 1 square plus -2 square and its square root. So BC equal to 2 square plus 2 square root, that is equal to 4 plus 4 square root. So BC is also 8 root 2. We can write it root 2 root 2. So अभी तक जो हमने साइड्स फाइंड आउट की both are equal. So let's find third side. So third side CD is equal to -1 minus -3 square plus 2 minus 0 square and its square root. So CD equal to -1 plus 3 square plus 2 square root. 2 square plus 2 square root, that's 4 plus 4 square root equal to 8 root. So CD is also 8 root 2. We can write it 2 root 2. सो अभी तक की हमारी जो ऑल थ्री साइड्स हैं दे आर इक्वल. सो लेट्स फाइंड द फोर्थ साइड, दैट इज DA. DA is equal to -3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square and its square root, that is -3 plus 1 whole square plus 2 whole square, and it is -2 square plus 2 square. That's also 4 plus 4 square root. So DA is also 8 root 2. So we can write it 2 root 2. So all four sides are equal. So it may be square or rhombus. So let's check the diagonals. अब हम diagonals check करेंगे. DA is equal to 2 root 2. हमारी fourth side भी आ गई है. So let's check the diagonal. AC equal to formula x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So this will be -1 minus -1 whole square plus y1, that's -2 and -2 square. यहाँ पे आप -1 plus 1, it will be 0 plus minus 4 square, its square root. So it becomes 0 plus 4 का square root 16. So AC is 16 root, that is equal to 4 unit. So let's find the BD. So BD is equal to 1 minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square and its square root. So BD is equal to 1 plus 3 square plus 0 square and its square root. So BD equal to 4 square plus 0. So BD is equal to 16 square root, that's 4. So what we see, so here AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, that is 2 root 2. All four sides are equal. And AC equal to BD equal to 4, means all four sides are equal and both diagonal are also equal. So according to this property, it is a scale. It is a scale. So in second part, A is -3 5, B is 3 1, C is 0 3, D is -1 and -4. So let's find all four sides, and after that we will decide for the diagonals. So AB is equal to, formula will be x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square and square root. So what is AB? That is -3 minus 3 square plus 5 minus 1 square and its square root. So it's -6 square plus 4 square, its square root, that is 36 plus 16 square root. So AB is equal to 52 root. So we can write 2 root 13. Now let's find BC. BC is equal to 3 minus 0 square plus 1 minus 3 square and its square root. So 3 square plus minus 2 square, square root 9 plus minus 2 square 4, that is root 13. So these two sides are not equal. So let's check the third side. So CD equal to 0 minus -1 whole square plus 3 minus 4 whole square and its square root. So CD equal to 1 square plus 7 square, that is equal to 1 plus 49 square root. So CD equal to 50 root. We can write it 5 root 2. So CD equal to 5 root. So fourth side DA equal to minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 4 its square, then square root. So DA equal to minus 3 plus 1 whole square plus 5 plus 4 whole square and its square root. So that is minus 2 square plus 9 square, that is 4 plus 81 square root, that is 85 square root. So DA equal to 85 root. So what we observe here कि AB is not equal to BC, is not equal to CD, is not equal to DA. All four sides are different. कोई भी इनमें से साइड किसी दूसरी साइड के इक्वल नहीं है. सो व्हाट कैन वी से अबाउट दिस? नो नीड टू फाइंड द डायगोनल्स. हमें डायगोनल भी फाइंड आउट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. वी कांट डिफाइन द टाइप ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल. सो यहां पे कोई भी साइड इक्वल ना होने की वजह से हम टाइप ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल को डिफाइन नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो यहाँ पे डायगोनल भी फाइंड आउट करने की आपको जरूरत नहीं है. सो लेट्स सी द थर्ड पार्ट. सो दिस इज अवर थर्ड पार्ट. लेट्स कंसीडर A, B, C, D. The given points: A is 4, 5, B is 7, 6, C is 4, 3, and D is 1, 2. So let's find all four sides. So AB equal to x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square and square root. Then this is a, b, this is x1, y1, it will be x2, y2. So 4 minus 7 whole square plus 5 minus 6 whole square and its square root. So it's minus 3 square plus minus 1 square, its square root. It's 9 plus 1 root. So AB is the 10 root. So let's find BC. So BC, now here are B and C are 2 points. For this x1, y1 and its x2, y2. So let's find it. 7 minus 4 square plus 6 minus 3 square and its square root. So this is 3 square plus 3 square, square root. So BC is equal to 9 plus 9 root, that's 18 root. After prime factorization we can write it 3 root 2. So this is our BC. What we observe, the first two sides are not equal. So let's find the third side, that is CD. So for that 4 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square, square root, that's 3 square plus 1 square, square root. So CD equal to 9 plus 1 root, that's 10 root. So CD equal to 10 root, that is equal to AB. वो AB के इक्वल आ गया. So let's find DA. So हम DA find out करते हैं. So that is 4 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square and its square root. 3 square plus 3 square, square root. So DA equal to 9 plus 9 square root, that's 18 root. So dA is also, after prime factorization we can write it 3 root 2. So what we observe? So here what we observe कि AB equal to CD, that is root 10, and on other hand BC equal to DA, that's 3 root 2. So opposite sides are equal. This A, B, C, D. This is root 10. This is also root 10. This is through root 2. It's also 3 root 2. Opposite sides are equal. So it may be parallelogram और रेक्टेंगल. तो इनमें से कोई भी हो सकती है, रेक्टेंगल भी हो सकती है, पैरेललोग्राम भी हो सकती है. सो व्हाट प्रॉपर्टी विल डिफरेंशिएट देम कि पैरेललोग्राम है या रेक्टेंगल है? सो दैट इज डायगोनल. सो लेट्स फाइंड डायगोनल्स. AC is equal to 4 minus 4 square plus 5 minus 3 square and its square root, that's 0 plus 2 square, its square root. So AC equal to 4 square root, that is equal to 2. So AC diagonal हमारा आता है 2 unit. So let's find diagonal BD. So BD is 7 minus 1 square plus 6 minus 2 square and its square root, that is 6 square plus 4 square, means 36 plus 16 square root, that is 52 root. So BD is equal to 52 root. What we observe कि AC is not equal to BD. So diagonals are also not equal. अगर diagonal equal होते then ये rectangle होता, but diagonals are not equal, so it is parallelogram. ये parallelogram. So along with this our 6th question is over. So remaining part of this exercise के लिए आप next वीडियो देखिए. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो.